So when you're 30 to 25 days out from your launch, you're still in the early stages, so you're going to have a lot of planning to do. For starters, you want to determine what the layout of your launch will look like. This will include things like the website, your flyers, stores you want to approach, advertising, and your online presence in general. You're also going to look at who you want to contact. You want to touch base with a number of people, so create a pipeline and then funnel that to the important contacts you need to be talking to in this time. At the same time, you want to start contacting these people, so the relevant stakeholders. For example, licensing bodies, anything legal, registration-wise, anything to do with government, local, state, federal. You want to talk to banks and anything that may constitute finance or loans, insurance, any marketing bodies, journalists, advertising, etc. So make sure you name these, find out the important contacts, and work out how you're going to contact it, be email, phone, or any other method. That would cover you in the beginning.